Welcome to St. Vital Park, one of Winnipeg's most beloved green spaces. Nestled along the banks of the Red River in the southern part of the city, this park has been a gathering place for generations of Winnipeggers. Throughout the year, visitors come here to enjoy nature, celebrate special occasions, exercise, relax, and reconnect with the outdoors. From above, the park reveals a unique blend of open fields, mature trees, winding pathways, and riverfront landscapes that create a peaceful escape from the busy urban environment surrounding it. The history of St. Vital Park reflects the growth of the St. Vital community itself. Long before Winnipeg expanded into the thriving city we know today, this area was shaped by the Red River and the people who settled along its banks. Over time, the park evolved into an important recreational destination, providing residents with a natural retreat while preserving valuable green space within the city. Today, it remains one of Winnipeg's most recognizable public parks, welcoming visitors from every corner of Manitoba and beyond. As our drone climbs higher, the scale of the park becomes more apparent. Large open lawns provide space for picnics, community events, and family gatherings. Curving pathways weave through groves of mature trees that offer shade during Winnipeg's warm summer months. The landscape changes with every season. Spring brings fresh greenery and migrating birds. Summer fills the park with activity and color. Autumn transforms the trees into vibrant displays of gold, orange, and red. In winter, snow blankets the grounds, creating a completely different but equally beautiful scene. One of the park's defining features is its connection to the Red River. For centuries, this river has served as a transportation route, a source of livelihood, and a defining geographic feature of the region. From the air, the river's gentle curves create a striking contrast against the city's organized streets and neighborhoods. The river corridor also supports a diverse ecosystem, attracting birds, wildlife, and plant species that contribute to the area's natural beauty. St. Vital Park is more than just a scenic destination. It is a place where communities come together. Walking trails encourage exercise and exploration. Cyclists enjoy the connected pathways. Families gather for picnics and celebrations. Friends meet to enjoy the outdoors and spend time together. Throughout the year, the park hosts countless memories from first bike rides and family reunions to wedding photographs and community events. Despite being located within a major city, St. Vital Park provides an important habitat for local wildlife. Birds can often be seen soaring above the tree canopy or resting near the river banks. Squirrels, rabbits, and other small animals find shelter among the wooded areas. The park serves as a reminder that nature continues to thrive alongside urban development, creating opportunities for residents to experience wildlife without leaving the city. Few places showcase Winnipeg's seasons as beautifully as St. Vital Park. In spring, new leaves emerge and the landscape awakens after winter. Summer brings vibrant green spaces filled with activity and sunshine. Autumn paints the park in rich colors that attract photographers and nature enthusiasts alike. When winter arrives, the park transforms once again. Snow-covered trails and frozen scenery create a quiet and peaceful atmosphere that highlights the beauty of Manitoba's long winter season. From this elevated perspective, the relationship between nature and city becomes clear. The park stands as a green oasis surrounded by residential neighborhoods, roadways, and urban development. It demonstrates how thoughtfully designed public spaces contribute to the quality of life in Winnipeg. As the drone continues its journey, viewers gain a broader appreciation for both the park itself and its place within the larger landscape of the city. As our aerial tour comes to an end, St. Vital Park reminds us why public green spaces remain so important. They provide room to breathe, opportunities to connect with nature, and places where communities can gather and create lasting memories. Whether viewed from the ground or from above, St. Vital Park continues to be one of Winnipeg's treasured destinations, a place where natural beauty, recreation, and community come together along the banks of the Red River. Thank you for joining this aerial journey over St. Vital Park.